What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and I got a few deals for you guys today coming from a few different stores, so let's go ahead and get into it. One of you guys are asking about cordless nailers, and looky what just popped up. So over at Acme Tools, we have this Metabo HBT brad nailer. I don't know what kind of nailer you needed, dog, but hopefully these can cover you. So we have this brad nailer. It comes with a 2 amp hour battery, and it's their newer battery. The bag and the charger for $249. No, not quite, because you are able to save 15% when you use Flash HPT. There's a flash sale going on, and you can get a free 2-pack of 18-volt batteries with code HPT battery. So let's go ahead and add it to the cart to make sure that this works. Well, isn't that something? That thing just went away that fast. Now look, let me tell you guys something. I refreshed this just right before I started filming, literally, and it was fine. That thing just went away. So anyway, well, it's still $249, and you get the free 2-pack of batteries. Don't forget your Retail Me Not or Rakuten. Rakuten's 2% cash back, so obviously go with the Rakuten. You can use the links in the description. Sign up for those. Moving on, and see, it's still up on this one too. Let's go ahead and refresh it, because it should go away now. I guess it went away at 11 o'clock. I guess so. Sorry, at 10 something it was still working. But if you spend $3.99 on Metabo HBT stuff, you get a free miter saw, which is kind of crazy. So this will require another $130 worth of Metabo HBT stuff. But then you also just have this thing on sale, this angled finish nailer here with the 2 amp hour battery, bag, charger, and the nailer itself. Moving on, we also have a dewalt deal over here, this high torque impact wrench. Now this is the big boy, the DCF 961B, that produces 1,750 foot-pounds of breakaway and 1,200 foot-pounds of tightening torque. And this comes with a free 5 amp hour battery, but that battery is not the power stack battery. It's just a 5 amp hour XR battery, but those are still very good batteries. And then if you were to spend $5.99, you get a free shop clock. But $600 with a shop clock, I think I will pass and just take advantage of this. Now, if you come over here to Home Depot, I try to see if this is available on a BOGO or something like that, but it's not, and it's $369 tool only. So this with a battery for $269, sweet deal right there. Moving on over the Oops, they're having a sale for Women's Day. Happy Women's Day for their power stations. If you guys didn't know or remember, I reviewed the Mega 2. It's really good. I compared it to the Delta 2 Max. Really good unit. It's $1,143, but they also have this Mega 3, which qualifies for the tax credit. So you might want to consider that for $1,759. If you wanted something comparable from EcoFlow, this will be like $2,500. So I would consider that. Their app support is not as robust as EcoFlow's, but they do have it, and everything works good. I like the units. So they have that as well. Link will be in the description. Moving on over to Home Depot, I just want to remind you guys, if you were liking that 5 amp hour XR battery, they do have the BOGO over here at Home Depot. We talked about this before, maybe early last week or the week before, but just as a reminder, and you can get another DeWalt high impact wrench, but this high torque impact wrench, but this is not nearly as powerful as the 961 over here at Acme, and I would probably go that one over at Acme if I'm being totally honest. But if you were to get this on a BOGO, because you get a free 5 amp hour power stack battery, and it comes with the 5 amp hour power stack battery, this breaks down to be $266, so $3 cheaper than the one over at Acme Tools. But the one over at Acme Tools, again, is a lot more powerful. I would still go that route over at Acme. Finally, we're going to wrap up over at Woot. Woot is having a sale. First of all, you see this Rakuten 6% cash back, and Retail Me Not is 5% cash back. So you do have that there. But Woot is having a little sale on Ryobi sprayers. You guys remember like 2 years ago, Direct Tools was like giving these things away. It was hilarious. I mean, they literally was giving them away, but they was almost like paying us to take them. Some orders I got, they sent me 2. It was crazy. But we have this big boy 1 gallon sprayer for $26.99. Marked down for 219 is hilarious. Then we have a half a gallon sprayer for $19.99, tool only. And then we also have that for $39.99 with I believe that's a 2 amp hour battery, and a charger. $39.99 there. The reviews are kind of all over the place because some of these things people have experienced leaks. Mine have been fine, but some people do experience the leaks. It's all plastic, so that might happen. But for the price, you can get some good use out of it. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this, I ask you to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. Share it with your brethren, and I will see you guys next time.